Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe for a lovely healthy salad, a cauliflower caprese salad. I've got a big head of cauliflower over there, we've got tomatoes, I've got a ball of mozzarella, and I've got some basil leaves, and it's just a fun way to enjoy the flavors of caprese in a bit of an interesting salad. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to very briefly boil up the cauliflower, not until it's mashable, but just until it's quite easy to bite into. So just give it a few minutes of bubbling away in boiling water, and then we'll put the salad together. So I've got a huge overflowing plate full of cauliflower. I just chopped everything into small little florets. I've got a saucepan full of water coming up to the boil. Once it's bubbling, we will cook our cauliflower, I'd say for about 5 minutes. You wouldn't want it too much more than that. The cauliflower is in the bubbling water, and I'll just cook it until it's just tender. You just want the cauliflower to be really easy to pierce with a fork, which it's hard trying to do while filming, but yeah, this is definitely ready. I'm going to drain it and cool it, and then we'll put the salad together. And I've moved the cooled cauliflower into a dish that I'm serving the salad in. I have halved a whole lot of those cherry tomatoes, chopped up the mozzarella, and I've got a few of the basil leaves which I've washed, which I will crumble over as well. So we'll put the salad together now. So it's ready, just a matter of popping the tomatoes all over the salad. There we go. And popping the mozzarella in between, and then tearing bits of the basil, so you got bits of basil all over in every corner too. It smells so fragrant and it's so colourful too. There you go, and how beautiful and colourful does that look. Such a lovely way to enjoy the flavours of a caprese salad, but with some cauliflower, and so it's kind of like a whole meal, and you could make the salad and just store it in the fridge and take it out to potlucks or picnics. It's just so perfect, and you can drizzle over some extra virgin olive oil or some balsamic vinegar, really any dressing that you would like along with your caprese salad to bring it all together. It's up to you, and of course also salt, pepper, any other seasoning you want to taste, but I like keeping things nice and simple, and I'm just starting with these 4 ingredients. But as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have the full recipe and lots of ideas for dressing and flavour adaptations and ways to make this lovely cauliflower caprese salad your own. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give the salad a try and what you think of it. I look forward to reading your comments. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!